I finally got all the hardware off of the prop and the mixture and throttle controls. Took me a little bit longer than I liked because I had to come to an emotional acceptance that I did indeed need to remove the stuff in the firewall, which is going to be a pain because this is like a rock. So I'm going to have to chip that out, replace it probably with some fireproofing stuff later. But yeah, no, I'm just going to suffer getting this out and seeing if I can thread these through. And yeah, maybe I'll cry a couple times along the way. Didn't know I would need to do this much to remove the middle panel, but someone has to do it, so let's do it. Okay, I got it out, hammered it through the other side. Unfortunately, it's now going to be a mess on the inside, so I'm gonna need to vacuum that up at some point. Hopefully I don't forget, but I know I'm gonna do a vacuuming pass. Yeah, now we can just fish these through, and I can also fish this through as well, and we can yeah, just take those out finally after, I don't know, a million hours of suffering. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, I got one of them out, loosened this one. I sort of want to cry, but let's just finish undoing the rest of these and get them out because yeah, let's do it. I'm not you know, I'm not sad. I'm not frustrated. Let's do this. Come on, cut to the next thing, please. I just want to be done. Wow, it's done. That wasn't like the most hellish thing that I've ever done, and I totally didn't contort my body in weird and uncomfortable ways while trying desperately to untighten bolts or anything like that. It wasn't like each of these was a different kind of thing that needed to be undone in different ways, and it's not like I don't have a torn meniscus in my knee or anything, and it didn't pop totally while I was in those weird and uncomfortable positions, and I'm totally not in excruciating pain right now. Anyways, now that that's out of the way, we can figure out what to do with this heater thing. Take this out, take these out. Shut up. No, shut up, Siri. You're literally worthless. Anyways, let's just do that right now. I am exhausted. Anyways, turns out that this middle panel is riveted in place. I don't know why. I think for aesthetic reasons to rivet it to the brackets behind it, but I don't feel like drilling out these rivets right now. So we're just going to do the left panel, or at least get to what we can get to. I might be able to get to it all today, but it's already around 8, so we'll see. Anyways, let's just get the stuff out of here, see what we can get out easily. Pretty sure we should be able to get to mostly everything, or a good amount of it today. And yeah, we'll do that now. Okay, well, it's a little bit later, and I've removed a lot of screws and stuff. It's getting pretty late here, and I haven't eaten all day because I've been working on this and other things, and I'm getting pretty hungry. So we're just gonna wrap it up for today. I was supposed to meet somebody today who was gonna drop off the engine stand at, I think they might be preoccupied. So anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hello everybody, welcome back to my messy workbench. Today we're going to do the audio alerts. Just going to wire those up. Let's do it. So we are going to wire this up to our auxiliary, and it's sort of hard to see, so let me see if I can. I'm not sure if you guys can quite see that, but essentially the tip is going to be our blue wire, the middle is the right, so it's left for blue on the tip, right is the orange wire, and then our ground, which is the circular one on the outside, is going to be our low wire. So let's just get that wired up. here's our fun connectors. Sorry, this is the one for the GTR 205. This is the one for the GMA 245. As you can see, there's a metric crap ton of shields. That's just because it's an audio panel. Let's just get this cleaned up, and I'm just gonna show you guys just like this because I really like doing it. All right, it's not working. Let's try again. I know I've already done that bit a couple of times. So we're gonna do it again. Wow. It was that easy. All I needed to do was snap, and then I could get this crazy amount of shields. But wow, I wish I had known that earlier. Anyways, these are the ones that connect. We're just gonna ignore all of this for today, because I don't feel like organizing it. This place is a mess. Jesus Christ. Let's clean up and call it a day.